Was Russian President Vladimir Putin nearly assassinated? A Ukrainian drone flew dangerously close to his helicopter route during a visit to Kursk. At the same time, Donald Trump calls Putin absolutely crazy, says he's needlessly killing people and warns of Russia's downfall. Has the war reached a breaking point? Is the US about to enter the battlefield? Welcome to ICEP Iluno. Let's dive into today's explosive story. The drone incident. On May 20th, Putin was flying over Kursk. Suddenly, Russian air defense units picked up a Ukrainian drone approaching the president's flight path. Air Defense Commander Yuri Dushkin said, "The drone was approaching during the president's flight. We were engaged in an aerial battle while securing the commander-in-chief's aircraft." Was this an assassination attempt? Or a psychological war tactic? Russian sources claim the drone was destroyed just in time. The Kursk front line. Between May 20th and 22, Ukraine allegedly launched over 1,170 drones on Russia. Kursk alone saw 46 drones neutralized, a record. Back in August 2024, Ukraine launched a cross-border attack into Kursk, the first foreign military action on Russian soil since Dvitiya Vishwayuddh. But in March 2025, Russia, reportedly aided by North Korea, launched a counter-offensive and pushed Ukraine back. Trump. Putin is crazy. Then came the shocker from Donald Trump. He wrote on Truth Social, "I've always had a good relationship with Putin. But something happened. He has gone absolutely crazy. He's needlessly killing people, not just soldiers. He's bombing entire cities for no reason." Trump also warned, if he tries to take all of Ukraine, it will lead to Russia's downfall. Trump vs Zelensky. Surprisingly, Trump also criticized Ukrainian President Zelensky. "Everything out of his mouth causes problems," Trump said. "It needs to stop." He reiterated that this war would never have happened under his leadership. "This is Zelensky's, Putin's, and Biden's war. Not mine." Russia's brutal strike. Russia's drone attack killed 13 people in Ukraine, including 2 children and a teenager. Zelensky responded, "Without real pressure on Russia, this brutality will not stop." Will the US join the war? Trump said he is, absolutely, considering new sanctions on Russia. "I don't know what's wrong with Putin. He's killing a lot of people. I don't like it." He held a 2-hour phone call with Putin and claimed peace talks may begin soon. But Putin only proposed a vague memorandum. No ceasefire commitment yet. Was Putin really the target of a Ukrainian drone strike? Is the US gearing up for direct involvement? Or is this just another move in a deadly geopolitical chess game? Comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ICEP Iluno. Until next time, stay sharp, stay aware.